Hi guys, welcome back to term 2. This is just a little tutorial for those of you who haven't had a chance to explore Sountrap yet. Instead of our ukuleles this term, we're going to be looking at an online recording program called Sountrap. It's lots of fun. If you've had a shot at GarageBand, maybe on an iPad or an iPhone, it's similar, but this is more of an online sort of a system. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to walk you through how to log in and then show you a couple of little techniques and then let you have a play and explore with it. So you will go up here to your bar where you're going to pop your address in, and it's going to be www.soundtrap up the top there, and you're going to enter into it. Alright, then you should get a page that looks like this one. I want you to go, it says music makers, storytellers and education. I want you to go to education, and then you're going to join as a student. Now there's an invitation code which I'm about to show you. Now you need to be really careful which one you choose. It is the one specific to your classroom. So I'm just going to get out of here and pull up a different screen, and you should be able to see it. Alright, so here we go. So could you please very quickly write down your code for your classroom, okay? If you need to go and get a pen and paper, then quickly just pause this video, go and grab a pen and paper and write down your code. So room 20, this is your code. Room 16, this is yours. And so forth, 17, 21, 26 and 27. So if you need to press pause because I'm going to go back to my other screen now. Alright, so in here, because I have already entered, mine's just popping up automatically. Yours won't do that the first time, you have to key it in. Alright, but let's just say you've keyed it in, there's your code, and I'm going in. Okay. Now, if you go to your sign up with Google, because you're already logged into your Google Classroom, you should be able to go instantly into your own account. Okay. I'm just going to sign up with this one. Okay. It's just working its way through. Beautiful. Then you should come to a page like this, and obviously it will say your name up here, not mine. What you're going to need to do then is going to enter studio. And you're going to go to music. Alright, we'll try that one later. Okay, what I want you to do now is I want you to go to, see these 6 little boxes, these shadowed boxes. I want you to go to browse loops. And all you're going to do is have a go at, you can listen to them by pressing the play button. If you decide you like one, there's 2 ways you can do it. You can double click it and it will bring it over here for you. Okay, that is now in your page of music that you're creating. Down here are your play, stop, record. So I'm going to stop it. Okay, take it back to the beginning. Now I can change my loops. These are all called loops here. If I wanted to go to piano, for example, I can go to piano, have a listen. Yeah. I can scroll down with my cursor. Let's say we want that one. Again, I can double click it and it comes up underneath. Can you see how it's come up over here? All right. The other way that I can do it is, let's go to some jazz possibly. Maybe we can find something else. Let's go to some strings. You can actually click it and drag it over. So maybe you wanted it to kind of, I'm just bringing it over here, start maybe just back there instead of at the beginning. Then I might just leave it there and it's going to come in. It's going to leave that bit silent, okay, and come in there. So that's one way you can do it, or you can just double click it. Alright, so if I want to listen to it now, alright, I don't think they really go very well together, but you get the idea. Okay, so all I want you to do today is, once you've logged in, is just have a little play with all of these different loops and dragging and dropping them and stuff into here. Have an explore of all the different sort of bits and pieces on here. And we will go through a lot of this stuff in more detail as the term goes on, and I will be explaining in the next bit. You'll see, as a part of your week 1 stuff, there's an assignment and a project. So once you've had a little play, then by all means, have a look at the project. All right, see ya.